In today's video, we are diving into the strange and bizarre world of high-paying side hustles. Now, these aren't your typical part-time gigs, and in some cases, just downright weird. And today we're going to find out what they are, which companies are offering them. So let's explore these 7 weird side hustles out, how much you can earn, and I'm also going to tell you how you can get started. Top on the list is a professional cuddler. And I'm sure you're like, what did you say, Ak? People out there are hiring professional cuddlers, and mainly the job of a professional cuddler is to offer physical affection to clients in a platonic, non-sexual way. So the goal here is to provide comfort, relaxation, and a sense of connection, because people out there are lonely and they are willing to pay top dollar to get that affection and to get that comfort. Professional cuddlers are earning anywhere between $60 to $100 per hour. This sounds like a profession you want to give a try. Head on to cuddlelist.com and cuddlecomfort.com. Sign up on one of the cuddling platforms that I just mentioned, create your profile, and then set your rates. Once you're approved, you can start cuddling and making that money. The second weird side hustle I have for you today, my incredible minds, is rent a friend. And I'm sure some of you might have heard about this, but what rent a friend services does is it allows people to hire, and companies that are providing this gig is rentafriend.com. and how you get started is head on to rentafriend.com. You're a friend for companionship and events and also social outings, or just to hang out. And so how much you can expect to make as a friend just giving companionship to somebody is $10 to $50 per hour. This depends on location, and it also depends on the activity. Sign up, set your rates, advertise your services, and then connect with clients. There is such a thing as a human billboard. And as a human billboard, what you do is just wear advertisements on their clothing or body. And often it's in high traffic areas. So if you've seen somebody just wearing like a t-shirt with a big sign of a company, that could be a human billboard. And this is to promote their brand and also their events. Does a human billboard typically earn anywhere between $20 to $100 per hour? Now, companies like Atsuki.com and Human Billboard will give you these side hustles. The fourth weird side hustle, guys, I have on the list for you is becoming a professional mourner. Yes, there is such a thing as a professional mourner, and these are also known as morologists, and they are hired to attend funerals and grieve to add on to that emotional effect and atmosphere at someone's funeral. Now, as a professional mourner, you stand to make anywhere between $30 to $120 per hour. And companies that will hire mourners to go to funerals and just add on to that emotional atmosphere is rentmourner.co.uk. Create a profile or resume, highlight your experience with empathy. Now, this I have actually heard in where I'm married in Tanzania, that people will attend other people's funerals without invitations or without any relation to the deceased. And when these people attend these funerals, they will cry their eyes out. They will even cry more than the families of the deceased. And how such people get paid, especially in these African countries, is by receiving food gifts once the funeral is over. See if you're a highly empathetic person or if you're good in public speaking. Reach out also to funeral homes or agencies. Let them know that you're available for hire. And then also attend funerals once hired and perform your role respectfully. There are people who are just not going to go and stand in line to wait for these things, even though they want the services. So what do? They hire line sitters for them. And so how much do line sitters make? Anywhere between $25 to $50 per hour, with the potential of even earning more if the line waits are higher, or the demand for that event is big. One of the companies that is hiring for line sitters out there is called Same Old Line Dudes. Same Old Line Dudes. And I will put that, up here. Same Old Line Dudes. But the website is soullinedudes.com. soullinedudes.com. So you can head on to soullinedudes.com and sign up on their platform. So you join a line sitting service or advertise your services on social media. You also set your rates and your availability, and start accepting gigs and making money. It's that simple. So guys, people are getting creative out there and making some serious money. So go check out these side hustles. Sixth side hustle, that might sound weird to some people, but it's actually very normal to others, is becoming a professional bridesmaid. Yes, there's such a thing as a professional bridesmaid. And professional bridesmaids are hired to act as part of the bridal party, providing support to the bride throughout the wedding planning process and even on the big day. How much do professional bridesmaids earn? Anywhere between $200 to $2,000 per event. It doesn't get better than that. Okay, how can you get started to be a professional bridesmaid? The company is known as Bridesmaids for Hire, bridesmaidsforhire.com. So how do you get started? You just head on to bridesmaidsforhire.com, you create your profile, highlight your experience with weddings and event planning, or you can also join a service or advertise independently on social media and let people know that you're available to be hired as a professional bridesmaid. Last weird side hustle, guys, that is bringing people crazy amounts of money out there is becoming a dog surfing instructor. Now with a dog surfing instructor, obviously you have to be a surfer yourself. So you teach dogs on how to surf and participate in dog surfing competitions. So this might just be restricted to professional surfers, but it's also a side gig that is paying people good money out there. And how much do these dog surfing instructors make per hour? Anywhere between $50 to $100 per hour. And where they can find such gigs is at Canine Surf School, and this is caninesurfschool.com. And all you need to do is, like I said, have proficient surfing skills. And there you have it, my incredible vines, 7 bizarre yet high-paying side hustles out there. Let me know in the comment section which side hustle you would be willing to try. So if you did find some kind of value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. It helps it to go out to more people, and it also helps my channel to grow. And so for more tips on how to make money online and remote jobs, kindly subscribe to Aggie's Vine. Till the next video, kwaheri.